We've certainly had plenty of cloud out there today then. It has been thick enough to give a little patchy drizzle in places, but for most of us it's been dry. And really through the next few days, more of the same. Lots of cloud on the scene, some patchy rain from time to time, especially so I think from Friday onwards. And with the general lack of sunshine, it will continue to feel on the chilly side for the time of year. So not much going on in the pressure pattern at the moment, but into Friday and Saturday we will start to see some weak weather fronts drifting in from the west, and those in turn introducing some outbreaks of rain. But for now, things look very quiet, and through the rest of this evening and tonight, it remains largely dry, albeit with lots of cloud cover. Where we do see any limited breaks, temperatures locally dipping close to freezing, and that in turn perhaps giving a little patchy frost by dawn. But it's not going to amount to very much, and for tomorrow morning, for most of us, very much the same as this morning. Rather grey, rather gloomy, a little murky and damp in places. As the day wears on, I think we could see some limited, fleeting, bright or sunny spells peeping through, but you'll be pretty lucky to find them, so make the most of them if you catch one or two. And of course, with that lack of sunshine, another day where we'll struggle with those temperatures, with highs of just 5 or 6 Celsius for many. If you're heading to the coast, these are the times of high water. For Poole, they're just past 9 in the morning and around 9:30 again in the evening. So a very quiet end to the day tomorrow. Overnight into Friday though, that's when things start to change. We'll see thickening cloud gradually drifting in from the west. That in turn thick enough to produce some outbreaks of rain. But I think for the most part, the emphasis on dry, albeit rather cloudy conditions. Well, we've certainly had plenty of cloud on the scene through today, and little change expected as we head through the next few days. A lot of cloud cover overhead. It will be thick enough at times to give some patchy rain and drizzle, and of course with the general lack of sunshine, temperatures will continue to be a little on the chilly side for the time of year. Now for the time being, not much to see on the pressure pattern, but as we head into Friday and Saturday, we'll slowly start to see some weakening weather fronts drifting our way, and those will provide the focus for some further outbreaks of rain. But for now, it remains very quiet through this evening and tonight. Yet lots of cloud cover, a little damp in places where that cloud is thick enough, but also 1 or 2 breaks developing. And where we do see any cloud breaks, temperatures locally dipping to around freezing, giving rise to a bit of patchy frost by dawn. Tomorrow morning then, a chilly start for all of us, and for many really much the same as it was this morning. A lot of cloud overhead, perhaps 1 or 2 showers drifting in on the easterly breeze through the first half of the day, but into the afternoon a good deal of dry weather, limited sunshine. Make the very most of it if you find it, and of course with that limited sunshine not really helping the temperatures. Another struggle tomorrow, highs of just 5 or 6 degrees Celsius. If you're heading to the coast, these will be the times of high water. Just the one for Brighton there, 11:56 in the morning. So a very quiet end to the day tomorrow then. Overnight into Friday, things will slowly start to change as we see the first of those weather fronts gradually drifting in from the west. But I think for much of Friday, that's where they'll stay. For most of us, another dry day. As I said, limited brightness through the next few days, lots of cloud and still on the chilly side.